Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset and calibrate the Citizen Eco Drive radio control with module number U680. The first step is to put the watch in the chronograph mode, pull the crown one time and turn the crown to face the small function hand to CHR or chronograph as shown. Pull the crown one more time to position 2 and wait for all the hands to stop moving. Press both buttons on the right side, the upper right and lower right button at the same time, and again wait for the hands movement. Press and hold the upper right button for 2 seconds until CHA is displayed on the screen. Turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face the hand of the charge level indicator to CHN or facing vertically downwards. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face the hands of the UTC dial to 24 or vertically facing upward. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown to face the hour hand and the 24-hour hand to face vertically upwards. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown to face the minute hands to face the 12 mark or vertically upwards. Push the crown to the 0 position to finish the settings. And now you can return to the normal timekeeping mode. Here is a video on how to set the time on this watch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.